My name is Francine Inman Henderson. Recently, my eyesight dimmed considerably. Up until that point, I was able to use a laptop and a computer. Right now, I'm not doing that. Glass has been beneficial. First of all, they have one of the finest staff of people I have known. Vanessa and the rest of the staff were very willing to explain to me the resources they had and how I could take advantage of them. And the first one I took advantage of was learning how to use this wonderful iPhone, which I find most difficult, and learning how to use it on touchscreen. The other thing is the recreational or fun part of it, the being able to get books and have them available has been really great. So I was able to get them and get them so timely. I've been a little upset about my eyes and kind of had some depressional downtime, but I think I'm evolving back out of that now.